One powerful tool that you can use for spiritual protection against witchcraft and harmful spell is Epoobo, which is popularly known as anti-witchcraft bag. Okay, if you always have witchcraft attack in your house, you always notice strange objects, strange movements, strange things, strange noises happening in your house, you need this anti-witchcraft bag. Okay, or you notice that somebody have cast spell on you, maybe in your business, things are no longer moving well for you because of this spell, or in your health is no longer okay, things are no longer working out good for you, you cannot move comfortably, you cannot do things comfortably on your own because of this spiritual spell that is being cast on you. You can use this tool, this particular item, to stop those problems, those misfortunes in your life. Some of the problems that you see people are facing today is because of their enemy, the evil spell they cast on them. Maybe you have given them one of your items, one of your belongings, like your clothes, your shoe, your money, and they use these things, these items, to cast spell on you. And from that moment, things started going bad for you. Now, in this video, I will share with you two ways that you can use that anti-witchcraft bag to protect yourself from any spiritual spell and witchcraft. Okay, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gideon and I share spiritual tips here in this channel. Please do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, yes, so keep watching the video to the end as I'll reveal to you how you can use it. Welcome back. So this is the item I'm talking about. Okay, this is the anti-witchcraft, popularly known as Epoobo. Okay, if you are experiencing spiritual attack in your home, you need to grind this item into powdered form. Okay, this is the one that I have grinded into powdered form already. This is the one I have grinded into powdered form. So you need to grind it into powdered form. Now, once you grind it into powdered form, you are going to be burning it in your home as an incense. Okay, you are going to be burning it in your home as an incense. It has a smell. Okay, anything that has to do with spirits, once you burn it as an incense in your home, it will chase away anything that has to do with spirit, anything that has to do with spiritual attack in any form, it will chase it away. Okay, now if somebody is using spell on you, you need to get the same item, but this time around, you are not going to grind it into powdered form. You are only going to cut it into 3 pieces. Okay. Once you cut it into 3 pieces, you are going to soak it in a water for 7 days. Okay. After that 7 days, you use that water and wash your body. Okay. From your head to your toes. So make sure when you are soaking it, you are going to soak it in a water that will be enough for you. Use that water and wash yourself. Okay, and as you're washing yourself, you'll be saying your intention. Okay, as you're washing yourself with that water that you have soaked with this for 7 days. Okay, after doing that, anything that has to do with spell, any type of spell that somebody have casted on you will be neutralized. Okay, you will be free from it. Okay, so that is how you can use this particular item, anti-witchcraft, popularly known as Epoobo, to deliver yourself from any form of spiritual spell and witchcraft attack. Okay, so that is how it is done. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, use the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, so that you'll be learning things that will be helping your life. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.